Welcome back to the channel. Many users open Waze and notice the carpool feature, even though they never use it. If you are one of those people and want to remove or disable carpool from Waze, this video will guide you step by step. First, open the Waze app on your phone. Tap on the Settings icon. Inside Settings, scroll slowly and look for anything related to carpool, ride-sharing, or rides. In some versions, carpool appears as a separate section. If you see a carpool option, tap on it and turn off any toggles related to carpool notifications, suggestions, or visibility. This prevents carpool from appearing actively in the app. In many regions, Waze has already removed the standalone carpool feature. In such cases, you won't see a direct remove button. The good news is that if you are not using carpool, it stays inactive automatically. You can also simplify your app by disabling extra notifications. Go to Notification Settings and turn off ride-related alerts. This keeps your Waze interface clean and focused only on navigation. If carpool still appears and you never use it, the best solution is to keep the app updated. Updates often remove unused features automatically based on your region. That's it. You now know how to remove or disable carpool features in Waze. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who uses Waze daily.